Hi guys, it's E-Class. Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, as you can tell by the title of the video what this video is about. But first, before we go any further, thank you to the people that sub to my channel. I really do appreciate you guys, and I hope that you guys stick around and enjoy the content. I picked up the PLOUISE base. I have heard so much good about this base, and I wanted to go ahead and try it out. I've been hearing about it for like the last year plus, and I just said, you know what, go ahead and get it. It's on sale. It's a good price. Just get it. So I picked up 3 bases. I picked up base number 0, and I picked up base number 5, and I picked up base number 7. And I picked up these 3 shades mainly because I want to use them to like kind of carve out my eyebrows to see how that worked. Number 7, I thought it would be a lot darker than what it was on, but you know, when you picking out shades online, the shades do look different. But hopefully this will still work out and I won't get like that halo eye look. But yeah, let's get into this video real quick. So I'm just gonna take my spoolie and just brush my brows up to get a good idea of where I want my brows to fall. So now that I have my brows styled on, I'm just gonna go in with the PLOUISE base number 5 and carve the bottom out. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Just that much. I'm just gonna take this little brush and just blend the edges out. Go ahead and carve out the top brow using the same brush, and we're just gonna go in with the base number 7. have my brow all carved out, I'm just going to go in with my spoolie and brush those hairs back up and set them with some eyelash glue. So now that I've brushed my brows up, I'm just going to go ahead and take the lash glue to set those hairs in place. This is what my brows are looking like. Now I'm just gonna go off camera and do the other brow off camera and my other eyebrow off camera. And as you can tell, shade number 7, you can barely see it's there. So that is a good thing. I picked a good shade when it came to the upper brow. That's really nice. You can barely see it's there. Only thing that I have to say about shade number 5 is the undertone. And I picked shade number 5 because shade number 3 was actually out, and that's what shade that I wanted was shade number 3. So, but as far as that, it's really nice. The base is sitting pretty good. I have no complaints on it, except for I just went with another shade with the wrong undertone. So, but which that don't matter anyway, because I'm covered up with eyeshadow anyway, so it don't even matter. But yes, guys, that is my final thoughts on the PLOUISE base. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.